Hi everyone! Today we're comparing Basic English and Advanced English. I'll show you what each one is, when to use them, and how to move from simple everyday phrases to stronger, more natural advanced expressions. Ready? Let's go! Basic English is simple, clear language used for everyday communication. It uses common words, short sentences, and straightforward grammar. Basic English is perfect for beginners, travel, quick messages, and situations where clarity matters most. Think of it as the tool for being understood quickly. Quick examples of basic English uses: text messages and casual chats, giving directions, ordering food or asking for help, basic emails like confirming a meeting time. Advanced English uses richer vocabulary, varied sentence structures, idioms, and subtler grammar choices. It sounds more formal, fluent, and persuasive. Advanced English is used in academic writing, professional emails, presentations, interviews, and when you want to make a strong impression. Quick examples of advanced English uses: academic essays and research papers, job interviews and business presentations, professional emails with polite tone and nuance, public speaking and persuasive writing. Here are the main differences. 1. Vocabulary. Basic uses common words. Advanced uses precise, sometimes less common words. 2. Sentence length and structure. Basic uses short sentences. Advanced mixes short and complex sentences. 3. Tone and formality. Basic is casual and direct. Advanced can be formal, polite, or nuanced. 4. Cohesion. Advanced English uses connectors and transitions to create flow. 5. Idioms and collocations. Advanced speakers use natural phrases native speakers prefer. Let's compare side by side. I will say a basic sentence and then the advanced version. Repeat them aloud to practice. Situation: greeting/small talk. Basic: Hi. How are you? Advanced: Good morning. How have you been lately? Situation: asking for help. Basic: Can you help me? Advanced: Would you be able to assist me with this, please? Situation: saying you don't understand. Basic: I don't understand. Advanced: I'm not quite clear on this point. Could you explain it further? Situation: apologizing. Basic: Sorry, I was late. Advanced: I apologize for my tardiness. Thank you for waiting. Situation: giving directions. Basic: Go straight, then turn left. Advanced: Proceed straight ahead for 2 blocks, then take a left at the junction. Situation: email close. Basic: Thanks, John. Advanced: Thank you for your time and assistance. Kind regards, John. Now let's break down how these upgrades work. You can upgrade basic sentences in 3 simple steps. 1. Replace general words with precise ones. Get, obtain, or receive. Tell, inform, or advise. 2. Add a polite or formal frame for requests. Give me the report. Could you please provide the report by Friday? 3. Use connectors and variety. Basic: I like this. It is useful. Advanced: I appreciate this resource because it is highly useful and well structured. More examples. Basic: I think this is good. Advanced: I believe this is an excellent approach. Basic: We need to do this fast. Advanced: We need to expedite this process. So how do you choose? Use basic English when clarity and speed are most important. At airports, in emergencies, when speaking with beginners, or sending short casual messages. Use advanced English when you want to impress, persuade, or write formally. Job interviews, reports, university work, client emails, or public speaking. Tip: It's smart to start simple and get more complex as the situation allows. In a meeting, you might begin with a clear basic sentence and then expand with an advanced explanation for emphasis. If you want to move from basic to advanced, focus on these features. 1. Collocations and natural phrases. Learn which words commonly go together, like make a decision or take action. 2. Formal vocabulary. Words like consequently, therefore, however, furthermore. 3. Complex sentences. Use clauses, relative clauses, and variety. Although the plan is promising, we need further data. 4. tone and hedging, polite phrases. It appears that, it seems, I would suggest. 5. Pronunciation and linking. Fluent speech sounds more advanced even if words are simple. Practice with short daily tasks. Replace 5 basic words with more precise words, or write 1 polite email using more formal language. Quick practice. I'll give a basic sentence, you pause and say an advanced version out loud. 1. Basic, I need more time. 2. Basic, can you send the file? 3. Basic, I don't know the answer. Pause for 6 to 8 seconds after each, then look at the model answers. Model answers. 1. I would appreciate an extension of time to complete this task. 2. Could you please forward the file at your earliest convenience? 3. I'm not certain of the answer. I will check and get back to you. That's it, basic versus advanced English in a nutshell. Start simple, add precision, and practice using formal structures when you need to. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more lessons, leave a comment with 1 basic sentence you want me to upgrade, and share this video with friends who are learning English. Thanks for watching, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson.